na sila andi mere rau runga
Saweni Anand Gounder, Bilisi Lugaki, Koratwailain Fatima Ali, Evelyn Eshnil Chand,
Amit Vikas Prasad, Leisa Ronginda Vuki Vuki, Keleni Liku Vurambere,
Andikuela and I are indeed honored to be here this morning at the 2015 graduation ceremony that also marks the 10th anniversary of the operations of the University of Fiji. I have had a distinct pleasure of being the Chancellor of the University for the past 6 years. But I have followed the growth of the university with very keen interest since its launch on 19th December 2004. And today, I wish to again personally congratulate the Ayah Pratindi Sabha for its vision, which is now in full bloom. As the President of the Republic of Fiji and Chancellor of the University of Fiji, I bring warm greetings from the government and the people of Fiji. At the outset, I note with deep sympathy the great sufferings of our brothers and sisters in Vanuatu from Tropical Cyclone Pam last month. I also note with much comfort the level of support displayed by the people and the government of Fiji towards our neighbors. Natural calamities are beyond our control. What is important, however, is the strength that we display to help normalize the situation. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasant duty this morning to confer degrees and award certificates and diplomas to this fine and eager group of women and men who would soon be joining the Fiji labor market, starting new careers and contributing to the economy of the country. Today, we mark yet another important milestone for the university. The university has entered its 11th year of existence and its 9th graduation ceremony. the list of graduates continues to increase each year. The graduation ceremony today will witness the conferment of degrees and the awards of certificates and diplomas to about 250 students. Fiji's national vision is to be a knowledge-based society. The Fijian government continues to place increased emphasis on the education sector. It had increased the budgetary allocation for education and had introduced several schemes to enable as many students as possible to obtain tertiary qualifications. In addition, government is also implementing many other reforms within the education system. But the national focus is not only in increasing the opportunities for our young people to obtain tertiary qualifications and on improving the quality of academic performance, but it is also on improving trade-based and agricultural skills. These are now materializing in the form of technical institutions, which the Honorable Prime Minister has started to open in strategic locations around the country. Many more will be opened in the future to provide all Fijians the opportunity to gain appropriate knowledge and skills. Here at the University of Fiji, I note with appreciation the university's positive contribution towards this important national goal. I am constantly advised of the unwavering focus of the Council and the Founder to improve the quality of education and also to increase the university's capacity to cater for more relevant fields of studies. This includes the construction of facilities for the Center for Itauke Studies. The Council continues the fundraising drive for this project and to add to the significant contribution of $139,950 from the Foundation Trust of Genting Highland in Malaysia. I wish to again express our sincere gratitude to that foundation. I also strongly appeal to the local business community to continue to support this project as it has a special meaning and purpose for Fiji as a whole. The university has also made inroads to international grants for collaboration and research. The university is a recipient of a European Union grant of Euro 469,400, equivalent to over $1 million Fijian dollars. This grant will help establish a center for renewable energy and conduct a master's degree in renewable energy in collaboration with the University of Alicante in Spain and the University of Papua New Guinea. This is an excellent international exposure for a young Fijian university. For an institution of higher learning to become successful, it is crucial to have a wide-ranging network of support and goodwill. It is therefore encouraging to note that the University of Fiji has gone from being regional to becoming an international institution by enrolling students from the Pacific Island countries as well as from the countries that were mentioned in the report that was given to you this morning. The university has targeted annual growth of 30%. This year, the university has surpassed this annual target by an additional 25%. This is yet again another excellent outcome. On 16th October 2014, I had the honor of officiating at the groundbreaking ceremony for the new development at the Suva campus, which is projected to cost about $4 million. Once completed, the new facilities will increase the university's profile in the Central Division and open up more opportunities for our school leavers within the Suva and the Nausori corridor. I am greatly encouraged by the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the university and the Ministry of Health and Medical Services that creates an enabling environment for medical students from the Humanand Prasad School of Medicine to undertake clinical experiences at the Lautoka, Ba, and Nandi hospitals. This will allow the students to be exposed regularly to patient care in hospitals and public health settings, thus building that confidence and experience in them. The MOU also allows UPSM staff to spend 40% of their time doing clinical duties in our health facilities, allowing better exchange of ideas in improving health services, especially in the Western Division. We believe that through this arrangement, the school will produce knowledgeable and skilled doctors to look after our sick people and promote healthy living. On the other hand, our senior doctors and consultants are also given the opportunity to teach and pass on those clinical skills to the medical students, mentoring them to become good health care providers. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, I urge the graduates to be good ambassadors of the University of Fiji. To all you parents who are here today, I implore you to continue to invest in the education of your children. There will be great returns from your investment. I would like to take this opportunity to also thank the business community and other silent individuals for their generous assistance towards the University of Fiji. Your support does lessen the financial burden on the Council, and I am hopeful other businesses will join hands and help UniFiji achieve its goal of educating the nation. I wish all graduates every success as you commence or recommence your journey into the world of employment and self-employment. May you continue to achieve your dreams. Thank you. Vinaka Bakalevu, Shukriya, Bahut Dainavad.